What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to have a brief comparison between Shopify versus Wix. Starting with Shopify, it's a fully hosted all-in-one e-commerce platform designed specifically for selling online. It includes everything you need out of the box: hosting, security, payments, inventory management, and customer checkout. Shopify is very beginner-friendly, offers professional themes, and provides strong performance with reliability. It's best for users who want to launch and manage an online store quickly without worrying about technical maintenance. Now moving on to Wix. Wix is a website builder focused on design flexibility and ease of use. It uses a drag and drop editor that makes it simple to create visually appealing websites with little to technical experience. Wix does support online stores, but its commerce tools are more basic compared to Shopify, making it better suited for small shops or simple product catalogs. So in summary, choose Shopify for serious e-commerce scalability and advanced selling features, and choose Wix for easy website design, creative freedom, and smaller online stores with simple needs.